20 years ago, our nation's railway system, a robust, unstoppable ribbon of steel connecting our country from coast to coast, was dwindling. By the mid-1980s, thousands of railroad miles saw the final train car pass on their tracks before quietly falling into disuse. With weeds sprouting between their ties and trash littering their paths, these rail lines seemed destined to remain lost relics of America's pioneer spirit. But not all memory and beauty of the American railroad was lost. In 1986, Rails to Trails Conservancy was founded on a mission to see these irreplaceable corridors return to the public in the form of trails. Finally, the trail movement had a voice of preservation, of healthy transportation, and of inspiration. At the time, there were less than 250 miles of these trails. Today, thanks to the work of Rails to Trails Conservancy and their partners, the United States is home to more than 13,000 miles of rail trail, preserving nearly 1,400 rail trails across the country. Preservation has remained paramount to the work of the organization and for trail building groups around the country. These groups have come to depend on the technical expertise of Rails to Trails Conservancy to guide them in the acquisition, design, building, and maintenance of their trails. To make rail trail conversion possible, Rails to Trails Conservancy tirelessly advocates for federal, state, and local support and funding for these assets. Pounding the steps of Capitol Hill, Rails to Trails Conservancy is the #1 defender of these transportation corridors, carrying with them the might of more than 100,000 members and supporters. By preserving America's past, Rails to Trails Conservancy is guaranteeing its future. Like the railroad, rail trails have the power to bring a community together, providing safe places for people of all ages and abilities to exercise, commute, and play. A rail trail isn't just a gently sloping strip of land. It's where people come together to enhance their lives. And today, quality of life is more important than ever before. According to the New England Journal of Medicine, the life expectancy of today's children may be 5 years less than that of their parents. Public and private health organizations agree an epidemic of obesity is infecting America. Never has the need for free, accessible trails been more critical for the American public. Rail trails can be the catalyst for people to lead more active, healthy, and energetic lives. And it is up to Rails to Trails Conservancy to connect Americans with these trails. Rails to Trails Conservancy sees an America where 90% of U.S. residents live within 3 miles of a rail trail system. This vision challenges supporters in the private and public sectors to convert more, conserve more, and connect more rail trail corridors. The voices of preservation, healthy transportation, and inspiration are getting louder. Rails to Trails Conservancy is inspiring movement.